Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I hope you subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. And today I'm going to be playing with my slime. This is my foam bead slime I made in my aunt's house, and I'm going to show you it. Oh. Let me see the click challenge. It's over here. It's really clicky. I made all these kinds of slimes at my Natalie's, at my aunt's house, and that's this slime, I guess. Now let me get another slime, and they're all right here. Put this in the bag. That's huge. I'll do this. Okay, this is called my unicorn slime. Just really rip. Okay. Oh my. This is so cool because the texture is like really soft because I put in so much shaving cream. Next, let's do...
What do you make it with? What ingredients?
So, you need glue, first ingredient. Second, you need food coloring, and shaving cream. You have to mix before you put in the shaving cream. And then, you need borax. No, you actually need, borax. And then you mix up.
My brother wants to be in on it. What's your name?
He's Knox, my little brother. And you also need borax. Mix in the shaving cream, put in borax, and then keep on mixing until it turns into slime. Then get in with your hands and play with it. That's my little boy. That's how we dance. Bye! Bye, guys! Thanks for watching. Give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!